Lucas, where are we?
Disney. To make a Steven castle.
I assume you're eating this too.
No, Laura and I are swimming. Oh. Where are we?
At Disney.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Disney. Playing at Disney.
So we made it to Caribbean Beach and we just got some breakfast to go. So we are just eating and relaxing a bit. Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yeah. You're
Are you
like
happy?
Whispering.
I am happy.
Daddy.
Buddy's over here just doing planks, swimming in the sand, living his best life. Yeah, that's not surprising. Occupational hazard.
Lucas, stay over here.
Also, meanwhile, look how beautiful the Riviera is.
Teddy. Teddy. He's doing it on purpose now.
Fine
Theodore.
right there.
How's that breakfast treating you?
Oh, pretty good. It's definitely needed after a long drive.
Yeah.
You see my footprints?
I do.
Do I see your footprints?
Yes.
Can you do it again?
Is Olaf gonna fall in it?
Wow! Your footprints! Lucas,
I want to add it in.
what are we gonna do?
The fly.
The fly? And where's the fly?
There.
Yeah, the fly!
Who's Ben?
$45 one.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you're right. Somebody might know.
Let's go ride the fly.
Me.
Okay then.
A Christmas tree? Yeah, it does have
Do you
some
like
ornaments.
Yeah. Oh, that's. Look. That is candy. That is crying.
Yeah, because she's sad. What does sadness say?
Looking on the fly. Okay. I'm gonna hold second here.
Oh yeah. Nice.
I think the pool's open.
What?
What do you think?
This is a bridge. Where are we? On the fly! No! Hey, you ready to fly?
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
Station Club.
Hi.
If you are just joining us, we are on our way to Disney Caribbean Beach Resort.
Apricots!
Lucas, do you see it? Tower of Terror, look.
Tower of Terror! Is that Tower of Terror?
Yeah. Tower of
Hey.
Terror.
Is that Tower of Terror?
Yes!
Oh, yeah.
Have you missed the fly?
Yes.
We have to fly again.
Have you missed the fly?
Yes!
Boop. Lucas, are you happy?
Yes.
Yes.
In just a few moments,
You like
we will be
beach
landing at
resorts?
Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Caribbean Beach Resort.
We hope you enjoyed the most magical flight on Earth.
What is it, Laura?
Answer the call.
most
Please remain seated until the doors automatically.
Teddy, are you happy? Oh, sweet baby.
Oh,
Yeah, are you happy?
I'm so happy.
Lucas, are you happy? Yes. Minnie, are you happy?
Yes.
Jamaica, Bahama.
Yeah, so we have to go. You want to do more water slides? You want to do more
Oh,
water
Laura.
Wants to do more water slides.
You don't even like water slides.
You want to do water slide? Who is this baby? Who is this baby we picked up? My baby doesn't like water slides. Duck you down the water slide first to make sure it's safe.
That's cute. The cast member?
Yeah.
I miss you being two, though. His first time to ever scan into a park. Do I need my finger? Okay, go.
I'm right here, Lucas.
Teddy? Teddy, you want to hold my hand? Daddy, you gotta
We've
hold
been
his
very
hand, too.
attached to Yaya today, and I'm okay with it.
Look, it's a sleigh.
First flake of snow is said to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child,
Look at mommy and cheese.
Cheese.
Look at me, Lucas.
child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace, both near and far away. It says we can live together and that we can find a way. The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
That's Everest. That's Avatar right over there, Pandora.
First snow of Christmas is falling from above. It's a sight of wonder, a magic time of love, and the joy found in each other. It goes to witness of the first snow of Christmas. set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way, and for every single child there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day.
Chetty is insisting to walk up all of these stairs, not be carried.
And Lucas
To do the ski lift. So this is what we're working with. Those little legs are gonna be built by the end of this.
The first snow this Christmas is promised for this day.
Little thing is gonna be alright. S'mores churro and apple pie churro. Praline sundae.
Do we need to get that big ice cream? Yeah. Teddy said, yeah.
Mana! You okay? Oh, he died.
Yaya's gotta kiss him better, okay?
on, Bana. Bana. Bana.
The shark ate your body. Oh no. I've got to give you the kiss of life.
Oh, he's fine now. Shark's all gone.
Okay.
I promise. Teddy, I'm coming back.
It's just me. It's just me. Oh, hi, Yaya. Hi. No, I'm fine. It's Yaya. You died.
Do you want to film with this camera? Apparently we're lesser than. I'm so sorry. He's talking to the friends. Because Lucas doesn't want to film with this camera.
How much longer are we planning on being here?
No room.
There's no room in the inn. We'll just have to stay in the stable.
Are you in the shade-ish? Okay, keep scooching. There you go. Is that better?
Lucas, you're destroying that hot dog.
I enjoy the hot dog. I am.
Lucas, what do you want to say before the battery dies?
Don't. They won't die. I don't want them to die. I want to film you. Uh-oh, it's getting now. The battery dying. But you fix it.
I don't have another battery.
Teddy, you don't need a baby seat. Well, Lucas, don't take the cherries off. Other people will want the cherries.
Hang in there, Joe.
Go! Okay, Teddy, you gotta sit in the middle. 3, 2, Splash! Teddy, does this get happy dances? Wait, come here. Let me see. Oh, snow!
that's the Riviera, and this is our building. Stoked. Okay, so we are in room 5609 if you want to send us a package.
You ready?
Ready? Ooh. So these are the newly, I think they're like half renovated. So we have the corner room. So you walk in, this is like an adjoining room, looks like. So we walk in, this would be a good spot if you're not sharing a room to like put a stroller. We have a little table and 2 chairs. If you're in the corner, you're gonna have 2 windows. We have this realistically kind of ugly chandelier, but I like having like the corner room because you have more window space. Honestly, this is way more spacious than the Animal Kingdom lodge room we had.
Facts.
So we have a 2 queen bed. Oh, there's our children. This is a 5th sleeper room, so this pulls down into a 5th bed. Then, and then we have our bathroom, which has, oh, let me slip into something more comfortable. But we're a family, so that's not happening. We have lots of drawer space. Oh, that's a fridge, not drawers. Forget what I said. And in here, we actually have some like good space. Oh, we get a lotion. Usually if you're, we've never stayed moderate, we've only stayed deluxe and value. So it comes with a lotion, which is nice. But yeah, it's definitely not one of the like newly renovated. It's like the step up. Welcome. Welcome.
We're here.
We're here. This is home.
All right. So obviously they do have a bathroom in here as well. Well, doesn't look like necessarily anything special, but it gets the job done.
What's wrong? It's okay, Lucas.
Toilet to do your business.
You need a steamer.
Stainless steamer?
It's called
Ooh.
a big cleaner.
Conair.
Oh,
Fancy.
hang on.
Not yet, not yet, not
Okay,
yet.
go potty. Go
That's
potty.
called quality.
Okay.
Catch you on the flippity flip.
Hey, baby. Hey, Lucas. Do you want to go see lightning? Lucas. Can we get her later?
Josh Packneel in it, like a champ. And Teddy needed to be carried. Seems about right.
You say hi, friends?
Hi, friends.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are we gonna go see your cars?
Yes.
Part of me is like, I guess we could go to the boardwalk for dinner, but I kind of want to look cuter than this to go to the boardwalk.
It's valid.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner.
Are you happy to be with the fly?
Yes.
I was like, what are all those bowling pins? Pops and trees.
Wow.
Now sailing
We
over
did
to
it!
Caribbean Beach
We
Resort,
did!
where every day feels like a chunk of new
There's
celebration.
so many shots where your hair's like
great.
this over.
Phenomenal. Okay, so your bottom. Don't move.
Stop.
Don't love this.
What?
Fly's not moving.
It's currently minute 1 of being stuck in the fly.
Are you
So
stuck?
far, we're doing well. We haven't
I forgot to
had
drink water.
We have not yet designated a pee corner.
Lucas,
You know
don't move
what?
around.
It's a rough life, but I think we're gonna be okay.
You know what would be helpful? Is if their thing, the intercom, actually worked so we knew what they were saying.
Yeah.
Because what if they're like, you're in immense danger?
Remain seated until the doors automatically.
Woo! The Cars house. Whoa. Oh, it's over.
I do also feel like they keep up the ground. I need to send this to Luke.
I know. Mom, how's one?
You...
Oh my gosh!
You've never wanted to do the beanbags before.
If I do it, I will do it.
Good job. Wow.
Let's do it too. Let's go see Sheriff now. Let's see Sheriff now. Let's see Sheriff.
Oh, nice save.
Give me a car.
Can you guys see?
See.
Smile.
Yay! All right. Now let's go.
Teddy, who's your favorite car? This one? What's his name? Guido.
Cars out.
You know his name?
I saw. What's his name?
What's his name?
Guido.
Who's his name's Guido? No.
Guido. This is Guido.
Yeah, that's Guido.
That's not Guido.
Who's that?
Guido.
Oh, no, it's Guido.
What's Guido? But it's outside. But hey.
Who's this, Teddy?
Lloyd.
What?
Let's go back.
Who's that,
To
Teddo?
the dog one. Let's go back to the dog one.
Poor Luigi. Mine, mine, mine. You look like a fish.
We're now gliding over
That's where
Hourglass
Yaya's
Lake.
saying,
Please
welcome
sit
to
back,
the
relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
They don't care. They thought it was really funny for that one evening. He did, yes. And then Lucas by extension. Why am I like, play the clip? Josh, that'll be in editing.
Oh.
Roll film, rewind.
Play the clip.
Welcome to the family, welcome to the
Yeah.
89. Lucas, cheese! Look at Yaya! Cheese! Hey, what are we gonna get for dinner? Do you know?
French fries.
French fries for dinner?
Yes.
Just French fries?
Yes.
Can't really see it now, but there was a rocket that just went into the sky. It's like right there. Did not know that was going to be happening, but that is awesome. You can see the jet stream right up there. That's kind of awesome.
That's crazy.
It's the Disney life for you.
You said
We're about to play the pool. No. Not right now. What are we about to do right now?
What are we doing?
What are we about to do right now? Are we gonna eat food? Yes. Is it gonna be disgusting? No. What's it gonna be? Is it gonna be tasty? Yeah. Do you like it here? You like it here? You don't want to eat? Well, you gotta eat, bud. You said you were hungry. That's usually how that works. Whoa.
French fries.
Look at this. You guys got French fries, and you'll get more protein later.
It smells real good.
It's gonna be real good.
Good job.
What do we think?
Is this solid?
This is so pretty.
No.
Should we stay there? Guess what? We don't have to be there exactly when we get back, like on Friday. So we could just walk across the lake
Oh.
and just ask if they have a night. Josh is like, no. Oh, look, the apricot ball. It's lit up.
right there. We got a Mickey cupcake. A key lime tart.
So that's some meringue on top there. With how much of that you took? Good. Dink it. Sink it. That's good.
Not as good as the key lime thing we had.
Sunset and mile marker 0.
Is that what it was called?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's good.
Yes, it's really smooth. There's a bit of graininess in it, so you can taste the sugar specifically. The balance of flavors isn't quite there.
What would you give it? Scale 1 to 10?
I give it like a 6.5.
I'd probably be a little bit harsher on it because I've had the other one and do a 5.
I was gonna say 6.75.
It's valid. I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
You didn't go to that trip, so.
That what?
It was the last trip we went to. We went to that like pastry, yeah, Emirates, where we went and got the like little Christmas cakes. They had a key
Okay.
lime. It's definitely better with that.
Oh my, this is like fudgy.
With the fudge.
Is it just a cupcake?
Yeah.
Is it moist?
Kind of. The cake itself is like a little dense.
It feels dense because it's cold.
Yes.
I think that's why. It's overcooked.
But let's see about this guy. This little Mickey.
The flavor is actually really good. I like the buttercream.
Let's see if there's.
Anything in it? Is it
It's
just
literally
chocolate?
just chocolate.
Looks like a chocolate mousse inside. I wish it was a zebra dome.
I think the mousse masks
What it's
how
missing.
overcooked
Yeah.
the cupcake is part of what it is.
The cupcake, if it weren't overcooked, it would be a really good cupcake.